Welcome, players. The Matrix is just a child's toy. Its name is kinetic sand, and it wants to kill you. Slow down the rapid aging. Delay illness, if only for a while. Do not let the sand slip too quickly through your palms and fingers. You have known this for a long time. You have heard this before. You just forgot. Perhaps today is the day you will be ready to open yourself and to truly listen for the first time. Love sincerely. Believe in God. Eat moderately and healthily. Care for your body and exercise. Learn new skills and acquire new knowledge. Sometimes you find yourself thinking, I don't know how, but I knew this. Feng Shui. Respect towards everything and everyone. In the philosophy of Feng Shui, respect is not limited to human relationships, it extends to all living beings, objects, and the environment itself. This ancient wisdom teaches us that every element, every corner of our home, and every interaction carries energy. When we treat these energies with reverence, we create harmony not only in our surroundings, but also within ourselves. Respect begins with the home environment. The way we care for our living space, cleaning, organizing, and maintaining balance reflects how we value life itself. A tidy home does not merely look pleasing. It radiates positive energy that nourishes the mind and spirit of everyone who enters. In Feng Shui, even inanimate objects deserve acknowledgement and care. The placement of furniture, the preservation of heirlooms, and the honoring of natural materials all symbolize gratitude for the resources that support our daily lives. By showing respect to our possessions, we learn humility and gratitude for the abundance around us. Equally, respect for nature is central. Flowing water, sunlight, plants, and the rhythm of seasons remind us that human life is interconnected with the larger cosmos. When we align with these cycles by conserving energy, nurturing greenery, and honoring natural rhythms, we strengthen the balance between humanity and the environment. Most importantly, Feng Shui emphasizes respect toward every person. Each interaction carries energetic weight. A kind word uplifts, while harshness disrupts harmony. The practice teaches that by recognizing the dignity of others' family, neighbors, strangers, we contribute to a collective flow of positive energy that transcends individual boundaries. To live by Feng Shui principles is to understand that respect is not an occasional gesture, but a way of being. It is the daily recognition that every object, every space, and every human being is part of a larger, interconnected whole. When we live with this awareness, harmony follows naturally, enriching both our inner world and the communities we belong to. Thank you for following this channel. Thank you for your support. Be brave. Now, there is nothing hard you need to do. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. With your own hands, from kinetic sand, create a new, better world.